Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into SmartThings for Zigbee2MQTT troubleshooting, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the SmartThings login URL. Press enter to navigate to the SmartThings login page. Once the page loads, look for the login fields. Enter your email address associated with your SmartThings account. Next, type in your password in the designated field. Check the Remember Me option if you want the browser to remember your login. Click the Sign In button to access your SmartThings account. If prompted, complete any two-factor authentication steps. Once logged in, navigate to the SmartThings dashboard. Identify the Devices section where your Zigbee devices are listed. Click on the device you want to troubleshoot. Review the device status and information provided. Check for any error messages or connectivity issues. For further analysis, you can access the SmartThings IDE. Open a new tab and go to the SmartThings Developer Workspace. Sign in with the same SmartThings account credentials. Locate the My Devices section in the IDE. Find and select the device you are troubleshooting. Examine the logged events for any errors or unexpected behavior. Take notes on any discrepancies you might find. Use this information to assist in your Zigbee2MQTT troubleshooting process. Feel free to adjust device configurations as necessary. Make sure to test the changes to confirm resolution of any issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.